So, we are now in arithmetic series. Now, when I say arithmetic series, we need to find the sum of the sequence instead of finding the individual pattern. We must add and get the sum of all that sequence with definite number of terms. Okay? So, from sequence, di ba? Like, iniisa-isa natin siya. If ano yung susunod dito, susunod dyan, susunod sa ganito, ganyan. Pero sa series, it's parang hindi siya ganun ka-importante. Since nakafocus na tayo sa pag-add ng lahat ng pattern. So, let's start. So, arithmetic series. Let's say we have this pattern. Okay, so 2, 11, 20, 29, 38. Okay, so from this pattern, we know that this is E1, this is AN 38. Okay, and their common difference is 9. Okay, and the number of terms is 5. Now, how do we solve its series? So, madali lang. Pag-add lang natin siya. Okay, so 2 plus 11 plus 20 plus 29 plus 38, ganun lang. Pero what if gusto natin na mas madali? So, may formula tayo para dyan, which is summation of n is equal to n over 2 times the value of a1 plus an. So, i-derive natin kung paano nakuha yung ganito na formula. Okay? We know na 2, 11, 20, 29, 38. Ito yung need natin ipag-add. Okay? But, take note din na kapag binaliktad natin to and in-add natin sa bawat isang term, ang lalabas is pareho. And in that way, pwede natin i-divide yung summation, ay sum ng result nila and divide natin sa 2. So, paano yung sinasabi ko? Ganito. So, 38 na sa dulo, lalagay natin sa tapat ni 2. Second to the last 29, sa tapat ni 11. 20, since sa gitna siya, it's the median, so 20 lang din sa gitna. And 11 dito. And then, 2 dito. So, add natin yung term na to. 2 plus 38 is 40. 11 plus 29 is also 40. Same goes with this. Also this. And also this. Now, we have the product. Sum of 40 plus 40 plus 40 plus 40 plus 40. That is 5 times 4, which is 5 times 40, that is 200. Okay. So, may dalawang pattern tayo na inad. And this pattern is just the same. Okay? So, we need to find only one. Now, if we need to find only one, kukunin natin yung 1/2 ng 200. So, divide natin to 2. Okay? So, the result is 100. And this is our sum. Or this arithmetic series. So, anong kinalaman nito sa ating formula? Si Sn is equal to number of terms over 2 times the value of first term times last term. Okay. This is the first term. This is the last term. Okay. So, we have a1 plus an. Pag-add natin, di ba? And we need to times both sides. Kung ilang term to, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since ito yung corresponding, kung ilang term na mag-add din ng opposite na sequence nila, which is 29, 20, 11, and 2. Diba? Kung anin to, anin din yung times natin. Pero since 5 yan dito. 5 yung times natin. So, ito times natin sa number of terms kung corresponding sa last term. So, that is number of term or n. But, since dalawa to, di ba, sinabi natin, and they are just the same, i-divide natin by 2. So, n over 2 ba? So, that is how we derive our first formula. Yes, first formula. Kasi may susunod pa. Okay? So, let's try another example. Kunwari, ganting given. A1 is equal to 5. Ito lang dito. Our last term is equal to 6, 2. And our common difference is 3. Now, paano natin maggamit yung formula na to? Given na walang n. Or the number of term. Since di lang ang binigay. Walang number of term. So, first, kunin natin si n muna. Diba? So, paano natin makukuha si n? Dali lang. Okay? Gagamitin lang natin yung arithmetic formula. Which is last term is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 times d. Okay, our last term is 62 definitely. First term, that is 5. Plus n minus 1 corresponding to 62, that is unknown. So, n minus 1 lang. And d, or our common difference, is 3. So, bali pag minus or mag-operate, so, distribute natin si 3. So, again, 62 is equal to 5 plus 3 times n, that's 3n. And negative 1 times 3 is negative 3. Okay? So, combine like this. 62 is equal to 3n, bring down. 5 minus 3, that is plus 2. Okay. So, 3n. My bad. Transpose natin si positive 2 sa kabila. So, positive 2 will become negative. Diba? So, 62 minus 2 is equal to 3n. And 6 minus 2 is 60. 62 minus 2 is 60. It's equals to 3n. Now, in order to isolate n, we need to divide both sides by the value of 3. So, n now is 60 over 3, that is 20. So, our number of terms in this given is 20. So, now we can use our formula, or the arithmetic series formula. So, Sn is equal to n over 2 times a1 plus an. Okay? So, arithmetic series n over 2, that is 20 over 2 times a1 plus an, that is 5 plus 62. Okay? So, Sn is equal to, now, 20 over 2 times 5 plus 62, that is 67. And we know na ang common difference, or ang common factor ng 20 and 2 is 2. So, divide both sides by 2. So, this 2 will become 1 and 20 will become 10. So, now we have 10 times 67. That is 670. So, this is our answer. So, ano yung sinasabi kong pangalawang formula? Okay? Now, derive natin. So, what if may given tayo na ganito? Find the arithmetic series of the first terms in the sequence. Two, 5, 8, 11, so on. Now, given ang first term natin. But, the last term, corresponding the 40th position, is wala. So, kung gusto natin na hanapin pa natin yung 40th term. Okay, gagamit pa tayo ng arithmetic formula, which is, saan? Ito. Gamit pa tayo niyan. But we know na may formula din tayo na ito. So, ipag-combine na lang natin si this formula and the arithmetic formula. So, paano natin gagawin yan? So, write natin si arithmetic formula. Arithmetic series formula. So, series is equal to n over 2 a1 plus last term. Okay? We know na ang last term is equal to a1, okay, plus value of n minus 1 times b. So, since this is equal, since an is equal to this, we can replace an by this also. Okay, so our new formula is Sn is equal to n to a1 plus an, which is a1 plus n minus 1 times b. Okay, so these two we can combine it. So n over 2, Sn is equal to n over 2 times to the value of a1 plus a1, that's 2a1, plus the value of n minus 1 times b. So this is our new formula. Okay, our second formula. So how can we use it in this type of question? Now, we have 40 terms. Okay, so let's write it muna. Sn is equal to n over 2. That is 40 over 2. Diba? Times 2a1. Okay? Times 2a1. Our a1 is definitely 2. Plus the number of term. Number of term, that is 40. Minus 1. Sorry kung masyado mabilis. Kasi, hindi pa kami pati ni YouTube. Hindi pa verify account ko. So, 15 minutes under lang dapat. So, yeah. Sorry na. Ayan. So, 40 minus 1. D. Common difference is what? So, common difference simply. Minus second term to the first term. So, 5 minus 2, that's 3. Okay? So, now we have 40 over 2. We can solve it na. 20. 2 times 2, that is 4. Plus 40 minus 1, that is 39. Times 3. Okay? So, it's equal to 20 again. 4 plus 39 times 3. So, 39 times 3. Okay, let's solve it. 39 times 3, 7, 2, 9, 11. So, that is 170. It's equal to 20. Again. 4 plus 117, that is 121. Okay. So, our final answer would be 20 times 121, which is 2420. So this is our answer for this. So that's it.